We are Justin and Emily Barkley, and we are building the Monroe 2P.
I would say the best part of working with Shaw Homes has been their hassle-free communication and their expertise of making this as easy as possible as we've gone through this journey.
We've really enjoyed just being able to shoot a text message or a quick phone call and reschedule appointments if needed and get questions answered. So we come into each appointment really knowing what we're wanting to do with our home.
I would say the reason why Shaw Home kind of separated themselves, first of all, I thought their flexibility with their time, their ability to meet us after hours throughout the days, picking up the phone, felt like a priority. And I thought the options they were able to show us throughout the towns, that we could go see house to house and different floor plans that things were built, obviously made this decision much easier for us.
If you want somebody to help you guide you through a tedious process, help make decisions, recommendations, and really assist you if you're not sure of something, then I would recommend Shaw Homes for your home building.